Okay guys, this is how we scalp Pants Chef today. Please share this video. So this is Pants Chef, and there's gonna be a pullback here. A pullback that is gonna hit our TTP, and we can see more sales on Pants Chef today, down to this zone today, because Pants Chef can sell. Pants Chef is gonna sell. There's gonna be a pullback today because Pants Chef has been buying for a very long time. So I'm gonna go get my two. I want to give us that soon. So guys, follow me. Just look at what I'm doing. I'm looking for a rectangle. So I get my rectangle. I'm gonna fill it. So that I will use it to put there that I sell, that the sale is gonna happen on sale on Pants Chef. Pants Chef is gonna draw back. The boosts have been on Pants Chef for the past days. So I think I believe there's gonna be a drawdown there. There's gonna be a pullback here. You can zoom in to see where I put this particular rectangle. That zone that I'm mapping out, there's gonna be a pullback. Sell candles are gonna print out there. That is gonna give us money. We're gonna make money on Pants Chef today, and we later made that money. So if you want to see how much we made from Pants Chef, you should just fast forward this video, go to the end. Make sure you watch this video to the end, or you can fast forward it. Please like, share, and comment. So you see the zone I'm trying on, like kind of, so it's gonna sell. Pants Chef is gonna sell. So this is H1 chart. This is H1 chart. This is H1 chart. Okay, this is H1 chart, H1 time frame. So you see the sales are coming in. You see the pull down. You see sales are coming on Pants Chef. I told you guys, it's gonna come all the way down. 4 hours is gonna hold, but we're gonna still go to 4 hour chart, and you see 4 hour chart. So just follow me. Just pay attention. If you have any question, you can comment or you can DM. Okay, so this is Pants Chef. I zoom in. So you can zoom out and see the zones. So you can check your chart. So this is 1 minute time frame. I went to 1 minute chart so that I'll show you something. I want to show something on 1 minute chart. This is 1M. This is M1. This is M1, the list of the charts, the baby chart. This is the baby chart. So I'm going to put a trend line on this M1, and I took a trend line and I've placed my trend line. Okay, you should know how to put your trend line. I want to understand what the market is doing, and this trend line that I put here, the market, you see how candles is going to respect it and hit our TP. I have to place this trend line so that I can understand what the market is doing. Because if you don't understand what a particular currency is doing, you are going to make mistakes to, buy and sell where you are not supposed to. Because trading is all about timing. I always say that timing matters. When you enter the market and when you leave the market, it matters a lot. So you see what is happening there. So there's a resistance there. I'm just using this horizontal line, this yellow horizontal line, to show you new resistance. There's a resistance there. So you like, click the like button, share this video. Okay guys, we're gonna make money on Chef. We're gonna bag Pants Chef. Pants is going to sell. Pants is going to drop. Ensure you join our inner circle. Join the eaglets to cash out. You need to join. You should not remain a spectator. You see, Pants Chef is trying to break that particular trend line that I drew there. The price is trying to break it. The trend in this 1 minute chart is trying to break it. It's trying to break that particular trend line I drew there. So I am still trying to I'm putting my horizontal line. That's up. That is the HH, the higher high. of pan chef on 1 minute time frame. So you see what is happening there. This trend line is broken. Price have just break the pan chef trend line on 1 minute chart that I drew. It don't break up. Price don't break up. So it go fly. Pan chef is going to fly to find another resistance. And there's a little resistance there. There's another resistance there, but it's the minor resistance. It's a resistance here, but it's minor. So it's going to test. Pan chef is going to test it. And you see that there's going to be a sell candle. There's going to be a sell candle there. It's going to sell. But because that resistance is not that strong, we might not rely on it. But if anybody want to sell, you can still sell there to scalp. You see the red candle is resisting it. So I'm sure just got to know how to follow trend. Follow what the market is doing. Start from 1 minute, then you can extend to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, H4. You understand? That is how you monitor. Because if there's going to be a sell right now, the sell starts from the baby chart, which is the 1M, M1 or 1 minute charts, okay? Before it will not extend to other charts. So guys, here we go. Pan chef is still selling. We're still on this selling stuff. So, and our TP is supposed to hit about spread. You see that zone that I told you, that zone turns out to be stronger to pull price down. I repeat. So to pull price back. So that zone is strong. See how it's selling pan chef. Our TP is supposed to hit, but because of it hits now. Bura. Yeah, we made our money. But the money is here. They won't sell. So it's gonna sell more. I need more sell. H4 is gonna hold. H4 is gonna hold. H4 is gonna sell. So pounds is gonna be weak today. Pounds is weak. Pounds is weak. Not that it's going to be. So I'm gonna redraw my trend line because there's another low over there. So I have to drop that trend line, and you see how the candles will respect that trend line in the future. We'll still come back to it. This is it. I have to extend this trend line so that you see that white trend line. I have to extend it so that you see how pan chef is respecting it. Just know how to draw a good trend line, okay? Know how to draw a good trend line. It will help you to catch resistance and supports, especially when you add it to what you're doing, because you don't just sell or buy because of trend line hits. So we made our money.